I guess you're watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here as you're trying to program recently installed. This error arrived. The program can't start because xtd audio1_2.dll is missing from your computer. It's a somewhat critical error and all you need to do is watch this video patiently and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for xtd audio1_2.dll. You can choose any result you want. I'm choosing the first one. It's not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Here you can see few download options based on the architecture and version. To know your architecture and version, click on Start and search for system information. Here you can see mine is 64-bit and my Windows is updated, so I'll be downloading the top one. I strongly recommend you to read this page. As the download complete, hit open. You can see the DLL file in the downloaded zip. To move the DLL, first open this PC, then new volume C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. This is the home of 32-bit DLL files. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop. I have already done this, so it is asking me to replace. And click on continue to give administrator access. Before we go ahead, let's check. By typing the file name, you can see the file is perfectly placed in the 32-bit folder. So job it done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart your computer. This is only for 64-bit users. Open this PC one more time. Local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named syswow64. And similarly, drag and drop. Basically, the 64-bit users need to place the file in both 32-bit folder and 64-bit folder. Check this one more time. By typing the file name, you can see the file is placed in 64-bit folder 2. So job is done for 64-bit user. And finally, restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if the error occurs, you need to download and install Microsoft DirectX from Microsoft official website and install your program again, and that will surely fix it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.